Once upon a time, in a small village in India, lived two young teenage students named Raj and Priya. They were both classmates and good friends. Every morning they would walk together to school, laughing and sharing stories. They enjoyed spending time with each other and loved helping one another with their homework and studying for exams. As days turned into months and months turned into years, Raj and Priya started feeling a special kind of love for each other. Their bond grew stronger each day, but they were both unaware of their true feelings. One day, the village's annual school fair was announced. It was an event everyone looked forward to, where students showcased their talents and enjoyed various games and rides. For Raj, this was the perfect opportunity to express his feelings to Priya. Raj decided to participate in a singing competition, as he knew Priya loved his melodious voice. Meanwhile, Priya was preparing for an art exhibition, as she knew Raj was fond of her beautiful drawings. They both practiced their respective talents tirelessly, hoping to surprise each other. Finally, the fair day arrived. The school grounds were decorated with colorful lights, and the air was filled with excitement. Raj wore his favorite shirt, while Priya put on the special hairband Raj had gifted her on her birthday. As the sun set, the fair began. Raj's heart raced with nervousness, but seeing Priya's smiling face in the crowd gave him the courage to showcase his talent. He sang a beautiful love song that captured everyone's heart. But his eyes were fixed only on Priya, who blushed and felt her heart race too. Next, it was Priya's turn to shine. She displayed her masterpiece of art, a perfect portrait of Raj, capturing his handsome features and gentle eyes. The crowd awed and applauded, but Priya anxiously searched for Raj's reaction. To her delight, Raj was mesmerized by her artwork, and his face beamed with joy. After the performances, Raj and Priya found each other in the midst of the crowd. They couldn't contain their happiness any longer. Raj held Priya's hands, looked into her eyes, and said, "Priya, I have admired you for the longest time. I want to be more than just friends. Will you be my girlfriend?" Priya blushed, her heart fluttered, and she replied with a big smile, "Yes, Raj. I have hoped for this moment too. I would love to be your girlfriend." From that day forward, Raj and Priya became inseparable. They continued their studies together, supported each other's dreams, and shared countless adventures. Their love story touched the hearts of everyone in the village, and they admired the young couple's dedication and care for one another. As years passed, Raj and Priya grew older, wiser, and their love grew deeper. They eventually got married and promised to be by each other's side forever. Their love story became a legend in the village, reminding everyone that true love begins with friendship and support. And so, every year on the day of the school fair, Raj and Priya returned to the place where their love story began. They smile and hold each other's hands, treasuring the memories they created during their teenage years. And the village continues to tell the bedtime story of Raj and Priya, a beautiful love story that started from friendship and blossomed into a forever love, reminding us all that love can be found even at a young age.